How to fix 6 better than 2 crashing on Steam. First, you will need to right-click the game in your library and then open up the Properties window, and then in the Launch options you want to add the following command, which is -dx11. You can type it lowercase or uppercase, and then go to Installed Files and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files button, and wait for this process to finish checking. Once it's done, you can close out of this window and then open up your GPU application. So for NVIDIA, you will need NVIDIA app, and then go to the drivers section, and from here check for the latest game ready driver and install it as well by clicking the install button. You can also try to reinstall it if you have the latest version already installed. Next, you should open up a browser tab and then search for Redist, and then click on the first Microsoft link, and from here scroll down to the second table and download the 86 and the 64 versions of these redistributables. You're going to install both of them individually, and once you finish installing them, you should restart your system and then try to launch the game again from Steam to see if that fixes the issue. And if it still doesn't fix it, here's what you can do. First, you will need to try to disable any overlays. So for example, if you have NVIDIA overlay on or Steam overlay, by going to the settings and then go to the in-game category, and from here uncheck enable Steam overlay while in-game. You can do the same thing for Discord as well. In Discord, you want to click on the settings wheel, and from here scroll down to game overlay under activity settings and uncheck enable overlay. And you should do the same for NVIDIA from the settings as well. And then you can try to launch the game again, and that should solve the crashing issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe.